Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into what might just be the best mowing shirt out there, the We Ride at Dawn Funny Lawnmower t-shirt.
If you're into gardening or simply enjoy the satisfying hum of a lawnmower, this one's for you.
This shirt isn't just about style, it's a statement.
Made from a blend of high-quality cotton and polyester, it's comfortable and durable.
Perfect for those weekend gardening sessions or just kicking back after a long day of mowing. The design features a retro lawnmower graphic with the humorous slogan, "We Ride at Dawn," making it a great gift for any lawnmower enthusiast in your life.
Available in various sizes and colors, including classic black like this one, it's easy to find the perfect fit. Whether you prefer a snug fit or something more relaxed, there's an option for you. Remember, it's easy to care for too, just toss it in the washing machine and you're good to go.
So, if you're looking to add a bit of humor and style to your gardening gear, searching for the perfect gift for that lawnmower-loving friend or family member, look no further than the We Ride at Dawn Funny Lawnmower t-shirt. It's comfortable, it's funny, and it's ready to join you on your next mowing adventure.
Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on products that make life a little more interesting. Until next time, keep mowing and keep smiling.